This was Bob. Bob was frozen water. The water had been cooled below 0 degrees and therefore changed him from his liquid state. He was an ice cube, a very energetic ice cube. Unfortunately for him though, ice cubes are solids, objects with tightly packed molecules with a fixed shape and volume. In other words, energetic Bob can't move. This is how Bob's problem is solved for him. Well, one day a boy came up to the fridge, Bob's home, and ejected an ice cube tray, Bob was in, from it. He carefully removed Bob and a couple others, transferring them into a glass. Getting distracted, the boy ran off, leaving the glass, with Bob in it, on the windowsill, the sun pouring down on it. And that was when Bob began to melt. Melting is the change between a solid and a liquid, when heat causes the molecules to go further apart and take the shape of their container. So at this point, Bob could move more, yay, but was still confined to the glass. But then, the girl came along. After checking the water was clean, she poured it into the kettle. Bob gradually got warmer and warmer and warmer. He bounced around the kettle fiercely and eventually came flying out of the spout. Bob had just vaporized. Vaporization is the process of a liquid becoming a gas. A gas is the substance which expands and fills any space available. This was the best thing that had ever happened to Bob on his life. But of course, he didn't stay like that for long, because the cold window nearby was reacting with the humid atmosphere, causing Bob to condensate, change from a gas back to a liquid. He slowly got colder and colder and colder. And then Bob was a droplet on a window, a liquid. Again.